Okay, in today's video lesson we're going to talk about time signatures, bars and bar lines. So here we have our staff, as I've explained, the 5 lines. Okay, I'm going to draw a treble clef. The first thing you always have in music is a clef of some sort, and the treble clef is the most common one. Here it is. Okay, so we're going to talk about time signature. So a time signature, let me draw one. I'm going to draw 4/4. So some of you might already know what 4/4 means, and that's okay. So 4/4, in a very simple sense, means 4 beats in every bar. So I'm going to draw some bars, and then I'll explain how that works. Okay. So here we go. We've got our staff, our treble clef, we have a time signature, which is 4/4, and I've drawn some bar lines, and that has created some bars. Here's a question. How many bars have I written up there? The answer is 3. Okay? So a bar is an area, it's a region. So that is 1 bar there. All that whole section is 1 bar. That is another bar, and that is our 3rd bar. So I have drawn 3 bars on that top line. I have used a single bar line here and here, and I've used a double bar line at the end. Most of the time we use single bar lines, but sometimes double bar lines are often used for the end of a section or sometimes the end of a song. So that's 3 bars. Here's another question for you. If I've got 3 bars of 4/4, how many beats does that all add up to? Maybe you could pause the video and have a think about that. 3 bars of 4/4, what does that add up to? So I'll give you the answer in a tick. So remembering that 4/4 means, in its basics definition of 4/4 is 4 beats per bar. So if there are 4 beats per bar, and we have 3 bars on this first line, we have, of course, 12 beats. 4, 8, 12. Okay, so this song, the beat is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 4/4 is the most common time signature, but there are several others. The majority of music you will hear on the radio, pop music, all that type of thing, the majority of it is going to be in 4/4. But let's go through a few other time signatures. Actually, before I do that, another little test for you. I'm going to draw my treble clef down here, and we're still in 4/4. I'll put 4/4 here again. But this time, I'm going to draw a different number of bars. I apologise, my pen's running out. So hopefully you can see that. It looks like you can. So this time I've drawn a different number of bars to the first line. So my question to you, and you can pause the video if you want to think about this and then I'll give you the answer, is how many bars have I written? And then how many beats all up are there on this line? We're still in 4/4. So if you want to pause the video, pause it now, because I'm about to give the answer. Okay, so we're still in 4/4, 4 beats per bar. How many bars have we drawn? Well, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats per bar, 4 bars. That means we have 16 beats. Okay, let's go through some other time signatures to finish off this video. Just one word of warning. Sometimes people think that 4/4 means 4 beats in 4 bars. Excuse me, they think that the bottom number means how many bars there are or how many bars are on a line. That's not the case. At this point, I'm not going to go into what the bottom number represents, but the main thing about this time signature that we need to know is that the top number means the number of beats per bar. So another common time signature, I'll draw another treble clef, is 3/4. Okay? Which means 3 beats per bar. Hopefully you can see that. As I said, my pen is running out a little bit. I'll try this one. So 3/4. Let me go over that. That's better. another common time signature, 3 beats per bar. As I said before, the bottom number does not represent the number of bars, and I'm not going to explain that just yet. We're just going to cover the number of beats per bar. So that is 3/4, 3/4 beats per bar. Some other time signatures you can get is 6/8, and that is 6 beats per bar. You can get 2/4, which is 2 beats per bar. You can get 12/8, which is 12 beats per bar. So you'll notice that sometimes there's a 4 at the bottom, sometimes there's an 8 at the bottom. So that does mean different things. But the main thing for this video is that the top number represents how many beats per bar, and 4/4 is the most common. Cool, thank you.